Morning. Hello, I'm on the remote island of ULVA, which is off the island of Mull, and I'm going up here. There are 9 people live on ULVA, 7 adults and 2 children, according to the ferryman. And the ferry is on demand. You saw me slide the red board over to summons it, and it literally takes a minute to cross over. There were once 600 people lived on this little island. Many Americans and Australians can trace their roots back here. Of course, there's no footpath up this hill, but I'm managing to follow a deer track that runs alongside this deer fence. I just hope I don't have to cross the fence at any point. This is rough. It's all bracken and small trees. I'm actually walking up the stream bed. It's the easiest ground. Ha! Same fence further up. I'll not make that mistake on the way back. That's my summit up there. Now that I'm out with the deer fence, I've found a decent deer track that's leading me around. I think the top is just up there. It better be. That's an hour and a quarter of really tough climbing. Ha! One final obstacle. Yuck. Wow. I feel this is going to be a quick activation. Let me give you a quick run through. 1. The feed point. 2. The mast arrangement. It's simply jammed in some heather in a PVC tube. And 3. The guy. Well, it isn't even a guy, it's just jammed in the ground. It's amazing what it'll hold. The mast isn't fully extended because I want to try and keep in some sort of shelter. Right, let's get going on 40 metres and get out of here.
1.10 EFI portable from GM4 JXP. Any copy, Fraser?
GM4 JXP. Hold on. GM4 JXP MM0EFI portable. Good afternoon, Simon. You're 5 and 9 onto Golf Mike Sierra India 145. It's a tad windy up here. Hopefully the audio is okay. Over.
Okay, Fraser. Nice to speak to you this morning. You're 5 and 9 also. 5 and 9 also.
He got it before I spotted. Yeah, QSL on 5 and 9, Simon. Thanks very much for the call from a Boyne, and it's a tough one point this, so I don't think I'll be up here for too long. Over.
Yeah, okay. Well, good luck with the activation, and I hope it's a good one for you. On your next, your second mounting goes, alright?
Yeah, thank you. This is point number 1 of the next 1,000. Oh my god, that's an ominous task. Thank you very much, mate. 7-3 QRZ. Golf 0 Foxtrot Echo X-ray. Good afternoon, Ken. And as usual, 5 and 9, great audio. Over.
Yeah, good afternoon, Fraser. First of all, well, it's very, very well done, and congratulations on reaching Mountain Goat. So very well done to you. Flight 9 received, flight 910, Fraser. Hope the weather's fine, over.
Thank you for that, Ken, and thank you for 5-9. And I do appreciate all the calls that we've had over the last couple of years. As for the WX, it's a tad windy up here, so I'll be looking forward to getting down. For 5-7, and thanks for calling in. G3 SVD MM0EFI portable 7-3. Have a good one. Okay, final CQ call. Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India portable on Golf Mike Sierra India 145 CQ SOTA QRZ. So I think you're the last call. Over.
Yeah, last but not least, I hope, Fraser. 7-3.
Absolutely, mate. Great to hear you again. 7-3. This is Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India portable going QRT. That was 33 calls on the 40 metre band. Absolutely nuts. You see, I've been holding this aerial up with my hand for the last 20 minutes. It shows you how strong this SOTAbeams wire is, because I can really feel the wind tugging at it. Right, time to get packed up and get out of Dodge. Got a ferry to catch.